Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add to your toolbar up here a quick link for a QR code generator. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the Chromebook web store. So type in Chrome web store and go to the Chrome web store. And here you're going to search for extensions. And if you start typing in QR code, and I have been using the easy QR code, but you can experiment with whatever ones you want to use. But if you tap easy QR code, add to Chrome, add extension, and then now it's right up here. So anytime that you want to use any extensions, you might find some other cool extensions that you can use. So you just go right up here and all your extensions will be here. There's a lot of cool ones in there. But anyways, I digress. The QR code now. So once you have that installed, then you could go to wherever you want to have a QR code for your students and say I want to use this one. I'm going to go up to that extension and I'm going to click easy QR code. So you could just have this projected on your board and students could scan from there, or you could also drag this to your desktop and make some lovely different posters or something and use that as well. So now that I have this here, I could go into Canva or some other tool and make that so that way kids know which one it goes for. Like I have some examples here. I have made QR codes for a lot of different things. So like for a spelling, if you go to that, and then you can post these around the room for kids to easily get to it. That is how I use QR codes. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email or put a comment down in this video. I hope this helped you out.